Hello, I am going to show one way you can make a looping animation look more seamless. The first step is to make the keyframes the automatic handle type, so the interpolation can be smoother. I think it is only necessary to do this for the first and last keyframes, but I could be wrong. Regardless, here I am doing it for every. Next is copying all the keyframes and putting them in front and behind the end and beginning of the animation timeline, so the looping point also gets a smooth interpolation. Now if you want to work without the additional keyframes, extending past the timeline, or looking to export the animation into a game engine or such, you'll need a way to lock the interpolation. One way to do this would be through setting the first and last keyframes as aligned handles. I think free can also work for this, but I am not sure. And that's the end of this video.